vehicle clicks but won't start. Understanding the problem of a bad starter. A clicking sound when you turn the key in your vehicle's ignition but the engine doesn't start could indicate a problem with the starter. The starter is a critical component of your vehicle's electrical system, responsible for turning the engine over and getting it started. If the starter is faulty, it may not be able to engage with the engine's flywheel, preventing the engine from turning over. Instead, you may hear a rapid clicking sound as the starter tries and fails to engage. There are several reasons why a starter may fail, including wear and tear over time, a dead battery, or a faulty solenoid. If you suspect your vehicle's starter is the problem, it's essential to have it inspected and repaired as soon as possible. Ignoring a faulty starter can lead to further damage to your vehicle, as well as leaving you stranded if the engine won't start. In some cases, a faulty starter can also drain your battery, leaving you with a vehicle that won't start even with a jump start. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.